In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks account. Understanding how to manage and cancel your subscriptions is crucial, especially when you no longer need the service. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you complete your cancellation smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you already have an account, let's go ahead and click on the Sign In for QuickBooks Online. This will direct you to the Sign In page. Enter your account details to proceed. Once you've entered your user information, you will likely encounter a CAPTCHA, which requires you to confirm that you're not a robot. A simple check in the box will suffice here. After completing this, you'll be prompted to click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. It's time to enter your password, ensuring that you've remembered it exactly as it was set. Once that's entered correctly, click Continue again. Now, after signing into QuickBooks, choose the relevant company file associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. This will lead you to the main interface of your QuickBooks account. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find the Settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon. Click on this to reveal more options. Among these, you'll come across Subscriptions and Billing. Click on this option, which takes you to a crucial section that details your current subscription, the payment method set up, and your plan's renewal date. In the left sidebar, locate and select the Billing and Subscription tab. This will provide you with an overview of your current plan and other related information. Here, you look for the option to cancel subscription. Upon clicking this, QuickBooks will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These prompts may include questions about why you're choosing to cancel. Be prepared to answer, as this helps QuickBooks understand and potentially improve their services based on user feedback. Once you've provided any necessary feedback, you'll be presented with a confirmation message. This message generally states when your access to QuickBooks will terminate after the cancellation process. It's important to review this message because it verifies that the cancellation process has been recognized. To finalize everything, you will either click Continue to Cancel or Cancel Now based on your preference and QuickBooks offerings. By doing so, you ensure that your subscription will not renew, effectively canceling your QuickBooks account. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your QuickBooks subscription. Remember, it's always a good practice to save any necessary data before canceling services to avoid losing any important information. Thank you for following along.